my music and drinking just a little wine. There's too many cars, there's too little time. Everybody hurries to find a place to line. But I don't follow, cause I know what is mine. My suitcase and my guitar and a bottle with a little wine. To me, people, when your life's a mess, don't you let it hurt you, killing you astray. Find some good old music and take a little time. Give your soul a workout with a bottle of a little wine. What the hell am I doing here? Yeah, I went to a nightclub just to have a ball. When I looked around me, I saw no girls at all. I said, I think this is kind of strange. I think I'll slip on out the rear. Cause I know wrong or right, and I said, what the hell am I doing here? y'all doing here? What the hell am I doing here?